In this video, we'll break down how religion in A Christmas Carol helps bring A Christmas Carol to life. So let's get started. Now let's talk about two important themes that are closely tied together in A Christmas Carol: religion and Christmas. Dickens was deeply influenced by his Christian faith, and these themes run throughout the novella, highlighting both the spiritual and social importance of the Christmas season. Religion in A Christmas Carol. Religion plays a key role in A Christmas Carol, especially when it comes to Scrooge's redemption. Throughout the novella, Scrooge's transformation is closely linked to moral lessons and spiritual awakening. For instance, when he is visited by the ghost of Christmas past, he is confronted with memories of his younger self, a time when he was more innocent and full of hope. This is a turning point where Scrooge begins to realize that his selfishness has caused him to neglect his moral duties. The idea of redemption in the novella echoes Christian beliefs about repentance and forgiveness. Scrooge's chance for change is similar to the Christian concept of salvation. He has the opportunity to turn away from his past sins and become a better person, much like the prodigal son returning home. Dickens uses Scrooge's journey to illustrate the power of faith and the importance of living a life of compassion and generosity. Christmas as a time for reflection and generosity. Christmas itself is presented as a time of spiritual reflection and renewal in A Christmas Carol. The holiday is not just about feasting or exchanging gifts. It's about connecting with others, showing kindness, and giving to those in need. For Scrooge, his experiences with the ghosts help him reconnect with the true meaning of Christmas, a time to celebrate love, family, and goodwill toward all. This theme of Christmas as a spiritual moment of transformation is reinforced by the recurring images of warmth, light, and community. The Cratchit family, despite their poverty, embodies the Christian virtues of charity, kindness, and gratitude. The humble way they celebrate Christmas without material wealth highlights the spiritual essence of the holiday. Scrooge's spiritual awakening. In the final part of the novella, when Scrooge wakes up on Christmas morning, it's as though he's been born again. He has a newfound sense of joy and generosity that is tied to a spiritual awakening. He recognizes that Christmas is not just about material wealth or festive luxuries. It's about a deeper connection to humanity. Scrooge's journey represents the idea that anyone can change, and that the spirit of Christmas, rooted in Christian teachings, offers an opportunity for redemption. Christmas as a time for giving. One of the central messages of the novella is the importance of giving, whether it's charity, kindness, or love. Christmas is a time to be selfless and think of others, just as Christ's teachings emphasize compassion for the poor, the sick, and the suffering. Scrooge's change from a miser to a generous benefactor embodies this spirit of giving, which Dickens uses to emphasize the Christian message of love, forgiveness, and charity. Thanks for watching this short dive into how religion in A Christmas Carol are key themes in the novella. This video is part of the GCSE ByteSize Bits series, where we break down the most important elements of A Christmas Carol to help you understand and analyze the novella for your studies. Be sure to check out the other videos in the series, where we dive into everything from character analysis to key quotes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And if there's anything specific you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.